Hello out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy. This is SincerelyCindiSettle. Today, it's a Stitch Fix day. Feels like it's been a minute since we've done a Stitch Fix, so I'm excited to jump into this one. I can't remember my last one. I don't think it was a very good one. But I don't remember. I can't remember even if I kept anything. It's kind of been a whirlwind kind of a month with finishing up school. We had graduations. My daughter had college freshman orientation today. We're leaving for the beach tomorrow. Everything has been so busy. So anyway, we're going to dig right into this Stitch Fix and see what we have. I do remember asking her to send things that were very casual, kind of beach-like for vacation. So if you have never done Stitch Fix before, you will have a return packing label as well as a package to send anything you do not wish to keep back to Stitch Fix. You will have an envelope that says, well, this doesn't say anything, but inside it says, oh, hello. And in here you will have your style cards. They do send you items and they send you style ideas of how to style the specific items that you are getting in your box, as well as a style note. And it looks like I do have a new stylist this time. So I've had Brittany for a while. And I think in my last note, I didn't say anything specifically about Brittany. I just simply said that I was okay with changing stylists. So let's see what Holly has to say. Hello, Cindy. Happy Fix Day to you. I'm glad to be with you today. I got your note about your upcoming beach vacation. I hope that you like some of these items in the fix today. You mentioned that nothing felt stylish enough. Can you share with me what you're looking for? Most of your pins on the inspiration board are more winter options, so I'd love to hear what you gravitate toward in summer. I did my very best today, so let's talk through it. I grabbed you a couple of beachy dresses. The white Eyelet Beauty is perfect for the warm days and it'll look great with sandals. I also included a neutral white Henley top. It's best paired with wide leg bottoms or paper bag shorts. Tuck it into those. Okay, give everything a try and then come on back and share your thoughts with me. I hope you're doing great. Take care, Holly. Okay, so fair enough. She's a new stylist for me, so we'll see how she does. Everything is kind of ho-hum, but I did ask for kind of just beachy, casual, comfortable type of clothes. And then you will also have your invoice that will list all of your items as well as the prices. There is a 25% off discount when you buy everything. There is a referral link down in the description box. If you have never tried Stitch Fix before, you will get at least $25 credit, and then I will also get a $25 credit. Every now and then that credit could be $50. It just depends on how soon after I check out that you use the credit. So there you have it. So let's dig into the bundle. What do we do here? There we have our pretty little bundle. I will say that everything does seem to look and feel much better in person than it does on the preview. So Stitch Fix does send you a preview now. I think you get to preview like 10 items. You can choose up to 5 of those items to put in your box. I think I only chose one this time, and I can't even remember what that one was. So let's start with the Henley. All right, so this is very soft. It does have a little more style to it than what the picture shows. It has a cute little fabric kind of pattern in there. It is kind of, not lined is not the word I'm looking for. It's got a texture to it. And then it has the buttons down the front. So I'm not really in need of any more white shirts, but that's cute. This one has that same type of texture and it has the same feel. Very pretty color. It's a tangerine type color tank top. I don't typically gravitate toward tank tops, but if it's comfortable and it covers the bra straps, it might be perfect for the beach. All right, and then we have a dress. This looks like it is kind of like a Dalmatian print. It's just a spaghetti strap, black and white, buttons down the front. Very similar to what I had in my last box. Now I'm remembering I had a couple of dresses. a couple dresses, maybe all dresses. Did I do an all dress one last time? I know I did one at one point. Anyway, I'll link the all dresses one up above, and I will also have my most recent one linked above at some point during the video. So be sure to go back and look for those links if you missed them. Oh, this is cute. So this is the little eyelet dress that she was talking about. Very cute, very feminine, has a little fluffy, can't find my words today. We'll get to it. I don't know what that word is that I'm looking for. It is ruched in the back. Very cute. Again, very feminine, very cute. I like it. And then we have a pair of pink shorts. These are by Vigoss, and they have a raw hem. I did ask for some shorts that weren't jean shorts, like maybe some jean shorts that were in collar or something like that. I do think I'm maxed out, not really maxed out. I think I'll have 2 or 3 pair of jean shorts. I don't need an overabundance of them. I just wear the ones that I have. All right, let's try these on. Okay, here we are with dress number 1. So this is very comfortable, very breathable. It does have a little bit of a high waist. It does have buttons going down here. Down the front, it is a black and white print, kind of looks like a Dalmatian print. Everything under the arms is fitting well. You do have to make sure that you pull up the back to make sure that it covers the bra, which it does. It does cover the bra straps. The straps are just big enough to cover a bra strap there. I feel like this is kind of cute. The length is hitting right at the knee. Looks cute with sandals. It would look cute with a cardigan or a jean jacket over it as well. So let's get a little closer so you can see the pattern. So there you can get a good idea of what the pattern looks like. These are not functioning buttons. Again, bra straps are good. Under the arms are good. The fit is very nice. I am a little concerned here with the midsection per usual. Shapewear would probably eliminate any concerns that I have there. Of course, I do want to see what the back looks like when I go back and look at the footage to make sure it's not lumpy and bumpy back there, but this is cute. What do you guys think? All right, let me know. Next dress. Here we are with dress number 2. So this one is a little dressier, but not by a lot. It is solid white. It is an eyelet type of dress, so there is some eyelet material all the way throughout. It is fully lined all the way, the top and the bottom. It does have a high waist here. It does have flutter sleeve. That's the word I was looking for. And you have a rounded neckline. I believe it's squared off in the back, and you do have ruching back here. It is hitting at about the same length as the other dress at about the knee. It does have pockets, which is a cute little bonus. So I feel like this is very cute, but I'm not really sure that it's saying, hey Cindy, you need to buy me. So I'm not really sure that it's 100% my style or that I would pull for it very often. So let me know what you guys think. I feel like it is giving off a nice silhouette with it coming in here at the waist. It would be cute with a belt as well. So let me get closer so you can see the eyelet detail. All right, so I'm not sure how well that's going to come across, but you do have the eyelet detail all the way in all of the material. This, again, is lined. You can probably see it better here on the sleeves. That rounded or that eyelet. Again, you have a flutter sleeve. The bra straps are covered. This is very comfortable. It's not too tight. It's not sliding down or anything like that. Again, I feel like this would be a little bit better if it were in a different color for me. So I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm loving this one. Okay. Let's try the shorts. All right, here we have the next outfit. So, not sure about this. I'm not a fan of the shirt. It's very soft. I like the V-neck. I like the Henley style with the buttons. I like the texture. I like that it's very breathable and lightweight. It is a little bit tight under the arms, and it's a little, not tight, it's a little more fitted around this area than what I would like. As you guys know, if you've been watching me for very long, you know that this is an area that I do have a tendency to camouflage, as this is a problem area for me. So with that being said, I'm not sure that the top is going to be a keeper, but maybe if I were to go up a size, it might work, because it is very comfortable. So let's talk about the shorts, and then we'll do a turnaround. So these are just a pair of pink shorts. It does have a cute little notch there. They are a raw hem. They are a button fly, but the button fly is covered, so you have the buttons under there. These are I feel like these are a pretty good fit. There's enough room here in the thigh. The waist feels good. I just have a front tuck going on here. So what do you guys think? I know pink, peaches, those kind of colors are a little questionable, given skin tone and that kind of thing. So let me know what you guys think about these. Let me do a turnaround. What do you think? I kind of like the shorts. I know they're not really a neutral, so you do have to pick and choose what you would wear with them, but they are very comfortable. And I feel like I would get some wear out of them. So let me know if you feel like these are a good fit, if I need to keep looking. Of course, it always depends on the price. I know you guys are seeing the price. I have not. All right, so I have one more tank top. It's going to be the same material, so I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to try it for you guys because the collar is great. I'll be right back. All right, so here we have our last shirt. This isn't going to work for me. I do love the collar. Again, it's very lightweight. It's just not, again, it's showing all of the lumps and bumps. It's just a little too fitted for me. I didn't show you the texture on that white one, and I apologize for not giving you guys a closer look. So I'll come up closer and show you guys the texture on this one, so that you can get an idea of what that looks like. Again, I apologize for not doing that with the white one, nor did I show you the neckline or all the pretty buttons. So I'm sorry. I just, you know, had a brain freeze. What can you do? So here it is from the back. But this is not going to be a keeper for me. So I do want to hear what you guys think about these items in this box. So let's get a little bit closer. So again, very pretty collar, very pretty tangerine collar, very bright and fun, summery. You can get a better idea of what that texture looks like there. It is a good solid material. I don't feel like it's see-through. It does cover the bra straps, but just barely. It's like you got to move your bra straps in a little bit to have that full coverage there. It does show a little bit in the back. Under the arms are good. But I'm just not that impressed with this. So we're going to move on. Let's do a wrap up. All right. Let's look at some prices. So I just decided to keep my little tank top on. You can see me from here up. The collar is very pretty. You can't see all the flaws down on the rest of it. We all have them, I know. It is what it is. I don't like to harp on them too much. Okay, so here we go. So we have the Market and Spruce Henley. That is this one that is not going to stay with me, although I did like it. It was just a little bit too tight. It is $34, reasonably priced. We have the white eyelet dress. That's this one here. It is $54. Not sure that I'm loving this, although it would be really cute styled with like a brown belt, brown shoes, jean jacket. Very cute. I mean, it could be styled a number of different ways. The black and white dress, I did like this one. It is $54. Again, just not sure that I loved it. Let me know what you guys think. Then we have the orange tank. It is only $28, very reasonably priced for the quality. I do feel like these are a good, I mean, this is a good quality top. I feel like it's got some shape to it. It's got some elastic in it or spandex or whatever. And it's very breathable. Then we have the pink shorts. These are $48. These are by Vigoss. These are a possibility. I'm going to go through my closet and see what I have to wear with them. Let me know what you guys think about these, if these are a keeper, or if I should be like, girl, or you guys are like, girl, you need to send those back. I like your all's opinion. I'd like to know what looks good, what doesn't look good. I'd like to get your ideas on how to style things. So many of you do such a great job of sharing all of that information with me. So many of you are better at it than what I am. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, I hope that you will consider subscribing if you like this kind of content. And for those of you that have been here a while, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for always supporting my channel and for hanging out with me when I do an upload. So please like this video, share with your friends. I will see you guys next time. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I am signing out. Mwah.